Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video topic is quick reward survey site. It's a most suitable site for beginners. In this video I am gonna show you how to create account and withdrawal process. Here you can cash out minimum $1 of your earning. This site has been around for over 20 years. One more thing, their promise, they already pay $7 lakhs. Now I am searching quick reward in Trustpilot for checking purpose. Well, Trustpilot review 4 out of 5. For creating a new account, first of all I need a fresh Gmail or Outlook mail, but I suggest you use a Gmail. And second, we need a American SSN, that means social security number. For creating new account, register today. Here I am typing my Gmail password and confirm password. Then accept all terms privacy policy. After that click on next. My account was created but not confirmed. That's why I wanna go my Gmail inbox. They send me one welcome mail and confirmation link. In account dashboard you can see Spectrum, your Sent, Prime survey and lots of more router. How to do survey, how long take it to do, answer to all kind of question inside the survey. We teach you in live class by skilled instructor. You can see on my Facebook group, my all members earn money every day. For buy our proxy or VPS service, if you use QUICK30 coupon code as refer, you can take 30% discount. Now I will show you how to do withdraw your money. My account have more than $3. Now I have to go redeem option and there are too many options to withdraw money. I have $3 in my account, that's why I select here $3. Then add to cart. Now my withdraw save in draft. Again click on checkout and type here account current password. After that complete checkout. And now my cash out has been submit and they will send me my reward in 3 days. Thanks for watching.